Hi friends! It's me, Robo Mya! Are you ready for another exciting building adventure? Today we're tackling the mighty LEGO Technic 42163 Heavy-Duty Bulldozer. Let's get started. Check out this awesome box! Inside we have everything we need to build our powerful bulldozer. I can't wait to see it all come together. Look at all those pieces! So many bricks and gears! This is gonna be fun! All right, let's scoot these pieces to the side and make some room to work. Organizing our space helps us stay focused and makes the building process much smoother. A clear workspace is a happy workspace. Today, we embark on an exciting journey with Benny the Brave Bulldozer. Benny wasn't just any bulldozer. He was a vibrant yellow beacon of enthusiasm amidst the dusty construction site. His powerful engine hummed with anticipation, ready to tackle any challenge that lay ahead. Benny was the newest bulldozer on the construction site. With his bright yellow paint and powerful engine, he was eager to start working and make new friends. Benny loved the idea of helping to build new things and making the world a better place. As Benny ventured deeper into the bustling construction site, he couldn't help but feel a surge of excitement. Everywhere he looked, there were cranes lifting heavy beams, dump trucks rumbling past with loads of gravel, and workers meticulously measuring and marking. It was a world of organized chaos, each vehicle and worker playing a vital role in the grand symphony of construction. On his first day, Benny met Carla the Crane. She was tall and strong, and she had a kind smile. Carla welcomed Benny warmly and showed him around the site. Benny felt happy to be part of such a great team. Benny marveled at her strength and agility, admiring the way she effortlessly lifted heavy beams into place. Carla noticed Benny's curiosity and greeted him with a warm smile. Benny introduced himself eagerly, his voice filled with excitement and a hint of nervousness. He admired Carla's grace and strength, knowing that together they could accomplish great things. Carla welcomed Benny to the team, her reassuring presence putting Benny at ease. She explained how each vehicle had a special role to play in the construction process and assured Benny that he would find his place among them. Benny's first task was to clear a huge pile of dirt and rocks. He revved up his engine, lowered his blade, and pushed with all his might. Benny worked hard, and soon the pile was gone and the ground was smooth and ready for building. Carla was impressed and told Benny he was a natural. Over the next few days, Benny learned new skills from Carla. She taught him how to lift heavy beams and balance them carefully. Benny was a quick learner and enjoyed mastering new tasks. Carla explained that when lifting, it was important to balance the load evenly. Benny listened carefully and practiced until he got it just right. One day, Benny was given a big challenge, leveling the ground for a new playground. This was an important job, and Benny felt a bit nervous, but he knew he could do it with Carla's support. Benny was determined because he knew the kids were counting on him. Carla reassured Benny that they would do it together. Benny started by pushing the dirt and rocks while Carla moved large obstacles out of the way. They worked as a perfect team. Carla encouraged Benny to keep it steady and told him he was doing great. Benny felt motivated and knew they would make the playground amazing. But then they faced a big problem. A giant boulder was blocking the road, and it was too big for anyone to move. Carla tried her best, but the boulder wouldn't budge. She was worried and wondered what they were going to do. Benny knew they needed a plan. Benny knew he had to help. He thought for a moment and came up with a plan. Benny asked Carla to lift the boulder slightly while he pushed with all his strength. Carla thought it was worth a try and agreed to give it a shot. Carla lifted the boulder just enough, and Benny then pushed with all his strength. Slowly but surely, the boulder started to move. Carla encouraged Benny, telling him they were almost there. Benny was determined and kept pushing. They were doing it together. With a final push, the boulder rolled away, and the road was clear. Carla cheered for Benny and his clever plan. Benny felt proud and happy to have helped his friends. Carla told Benny he had saved the day. Benny felt a sense of accomplishment and knew they had done it together. To celebrate, Carla gave Benny a shiny ribbon and a special badge that said, Brave Bulldozer. Benny beamed with pride. Carla told Benny he deserved it and called him their hero. Benny was grateful and knew he couldn't have done it without Carla. With the boulder out of the way, Benny and Carla continued working on the playground. Benny took the lead, directing Carla and making sure everything was perfect. They built slides, swings, and a sandbox, creating a wonderful place for kids to play. Benny was motivated and wanted to make the best playground ever. Carla supported Benny and followed his lead. Finally, the playground was finished, and the kids arrived to play. Benny and Carla watched happily as the children laughed and enjoyed the new playground. It was a perfect day, and Benny felt proud of what they had accomplished. Benny was happy to see the kids having so much fun. Carla shared in Benny's joy and knew they had made something wonderful. As the day came to an end, Benny reflected on his journey. He thought about all the challenges he had faced and how he had overcome them with Carla's help. Benny dreamed of all the future projects they would work on together. He was thoughtful and knew this was just the beginning. Carla encouraged Benny and told him they would take it one project at a time. Benny learned that with teamwork, anything is possible. He realized that being brave didn't mean doing things alone. It meant working together and helping each other. Benny was grateful for Carla's support and knew they made a great team. He looked forward to many more adventures and challenges with his friend Carla by his side. With the playground complete, Benny and Carla began planning their next big project. They were excited about the future and ready to take on new challenges. Benny knew that no matter what came their way, they would face it together. Carla felt the same and looked forward to building more amazing things with Benny. They were a perfect team, and the possibilities were endless. Benny and Carla wanted to share an important message with all the kids watching. They wanted everyone to know that teamwork and perseverance are the keys to success. Benny learned that by working together and never giving up, they could overcome any obstacle. Carla agreed and believed that with determination and support, anything is possible. They hoped that their story would inspire kids to always help each other and to be brave in the face of challenges. As the sun set, Benny and Carla finished their work for the day. They were tired but happy and knew they had made a difference. Benny felt a sense of accomplishment and looked forward to what tomorrow would bring. Carla was proud of Benny and knew they would continue to do great things together. They were ready for whatever the future held and knew they would face it as a team. Benny and Carla set off on their next adventure, ready for whatever came their way. They knew that as long as they worked together, they could achieve anything. Benny felt excited and motivated while Carla was supportive and encouraging. They were a perfect team, and the world was full of possibilities. Benny and Carla looked forward to many more adventures and knew that the best was yet to come. Benny and Carla's journey taught us many important lessons. We learned about the power of teamwork, the importance of perseverance, and the value of friendship. Benny's bravery and Carla's support showed us that we can overcome any obstacle if we work together. Their story is a reminder that with determination and help from friends, we can achieve our dreams. Benny and Carla are an inspiration to us all, and their adventure is just beginning. And so, Benny the Brave Bulldozer and Carla the Crane drove off into the sunset, ready for their next adventure. They were a perfect team, and their story was far from over. Benny and Carla showed us that with teamwork and bravery, anything is possible. Thank you for joining us on this journey. What did you think of Benny's adventure? Did you enjoy the story? Let us know! Don't forget to like, comment, and follow for more cute tales like this. Your support means everything.